Hello everyone, I'm going to do an unboxing and review about this 172 scale Kamaz 4310. It's a die-cast model and we're going to find out how much die-cast it is from the brand Legion. And I figured out that Legion comes also from the Panzerkampf factory. Do we know Panzerkampf? Well, yes. I'll show you. I have a lot of Panzerkampf right here. Those models are not die-cast. They are made out of resin. Here I've got another Panzerkampf model. And this is also a Panzerkampf model. And this is a Panzerkampf model. They have a very cool military models in their assortment. Even some of them are 164, and those are actually made out of die-cast. I did a review about the 164 Humvee from Panzerkampf, but today we're going to look at this Kamaz. Did I already showed you barcode article number for the ones who are interested? And as you can see, it comes in a nice package. And I got mine from AliExpress, and I will leave a link in the description of where I got it. There we go. No screws or whatsoever. I like that. Yeah, doesn't feel like there is any die-cast involved. Even this here also feels plastic. But the looks are very good. And it even has a license plate. I like that. Big windscreen wipers. Not sure if this looks very realistic, but we've got some windscreen wipers. Wheels are rolling. Also the front wheels, and these are rubber tires, so that's good. So this is all made out of plastic, and it looks even a little bit weathered. This here feels die-cast to me. I'm not 100% sure. Maybe only this part that is possible. Got a spare tire. I like the tires and the profile on the tires. Yeah. Definitely plastic base. But that's also not that weird for a 172 scale model. There are 172 scale models that are made out of die-cast, or has a lot of parts with die-cast in it, but most of the time these 172 scale models are made out of plastic. Okay, let's have a look inside the interior. Pretty basic. Big poke inside for shifting gear. Big steering wheel. Yeah, looks okay. Nothing wrong with that. I think the only weird thing is these windscreen wipers, but for the rest this truck looks very awesome. I like it. And I'm going to use it for a diorama. Oh, we even got a license plate here in the back. I'm going to use it for a diorama. And I already have this. One wheel is not rolling super good, but already have this diorama in the house. I'm going to show you. Is this diorama also in a 1/72 scale, Battle of Mariupol, also steel plant. Still not 100% sure if I'm going to do a review about it. It's a pretty big box, comes ready out of the box. You can see it comes with a lot of accessories, so maybe I'm going to do a review, maybe not. I will see, but for now, only this truck. Yeah, I like it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later. Have a good weekend. Bye.